Good morning, my loves. I am here this morning with my ever fabulous co-worker, Dean Bean, my fearless co-leader. And today we are going to be talking about something that's super important in leadership, which is self-care. So this is something that we always really emphasize to our trainees and to our individual clients as well, to make sure that we're making space for ourselves for self-care. So whenever we do a leadership workshop, we'll basically take everybody through some kind of a leadership exercise, and then we will make space afterwards to just sit and process through everything that's gone on. So that's an aspect of self-care. So we need to create space for ourselves to process through the things that have happened to us and kind of at us throughout each day, and allow us to almost like store it in our unconscious and then bring it back up to that conscious level so that we can find effective things to do. So this can be really hard in the fast-paced world. So we're all really busy. We have a lot of things going on. We're expected to do a lot of things, right, Dean Bean?
Yes.
So I run a multinational corporation. I think that we operate on 3 continents now. And I still find time to spend time with my team members at home and also spend time just by myself processing through every day. And I make sure that every one of my team members also has this opportunity as well, because I know that this self-care is a really important aspect of keeping our system, all of our systems, functioning at the highest level. So one of the things that we talk about in systems leadership is that if the quote-unquote leader, if the CEO, is the smartest person in the room, then I'm denying the system of the intelligence of the system, because I want to activate all of the amazing brains in the system, right? So when we have young team members that we're just onboarding or new team members into my business, I have to put in a bunch of investment, a bunch of time to invest in their development up front so that I can start delegating to them. And so it's one of our personal philosophies that we teach people on is don't take on too many team members at once. Make sure that you're going to give them that time that's needed in order to invest in them. So, for example, what's something that we do almost every day?
We read The Frog and Toad.
Frog and Toad, one of my favorite books ever. So we spend time investing in our relationship and in Dean's growth every single day in order to grow him to be a really effective team member, right? So when he gets older, like his brother, who's almost 14 now, his brother takes out the dog for us. He goes grocery shopping for us. He makes dinner for us. He does all of these really kind of higher level functions, which takes stuff off of my plate and makes our system stronger and bigger. It's like we've grown the system here. So we tell our leaders that we're training to do exactly the same thing. Delegate to the team, invest in the team, delegate to the team, so that each team member has enough space in their day for that self-care, including the quote-unquote leader. So ensuring that we have space for self-care every single day is a crucial aspect of leadership. There is so much research out there on this right now. And so if you want to, you're welcome to look into it. Let me know what you think, actually. And it's really interesting that the research is coming out that the more space we create for ourselves, almost the more kind of quiet processing time we create for ourselves, the more efficient we become and the more productive we become. So make sure you're taking time for some self-care today, whatever that might look like. All right, much love to you all, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.